Hello again. I just want to run through another quick video with you on multicam mode, but this time it's all about the audio. Okay, so let's drag the clips in. It's going to be a really quick video. And now let's line up the audio. Okay, find the start of the video. Like I said, I'm not making a film, so where I put the cuts isn't going to matter. It's all about the audio. Okay, so now let's go into multicam mode. Okay, select my first main start. Oh, hang on a minute, let me just click on undo. You need to put your cursor at the beginning. Always remember to put your cursor at the beginning when in multicam mode. So now we can click on that, and that's the start of the video. Okay, so now I just want to make a few really quick cuts because it's all about the audio. Okay, so it doesn't matter where the cuts are going to be. That'll do, just as a demonstration, just maybe one more. That'll do. Okay, let's cut that, get rid of that. Right, so what we've got here now is our cuts. I just want to play through this quickly with you. Let's go through the recipes. And let me turn the volume down so it doesn't echo. Play it again. Let's go through the recipes, the ingredients. So I'm going to keep it quite simple. Okay, so what you've got there is you've got audio that is pre-selected. What we need to do is we need to select a master audio track, and in my case I want to use this camera here because the audio is a lot better on this camera. And what I would do is I would click on the arrow, hover over multicam and select that as the master audio track. Okay, so that's what audio will be used in all these cuts. So I'm going to select that as a master audio track. Okay, then what I want to do, I want to delete the audio from this other camera by right clicking it, hover over audio functions and remove that audio. Okay, and then I want to also delete, unlink all them, and then hover over all the audio and delete that. So now when we play it, let's go through the recipes, the ingredients. So I'm going to keep it quite simple, so I've got, it's just using the audio from the main track. Now I hope you found that useful, and it's something I did forget to mention in my previous video with multicams. If you did find it useful, please don't forget to click on subscribe and you will be notified when I produce more of these video editing tutorials. And by the way, if you're really into your filmmaking, why not consider joining a movie making club? I'm a member of Altrincham movie makers, but there may be one near you. Just go to Google and look for movie makers, movie making clubs, and further improve your editing skills and your filmmaking skills. Get out there and socialise and enjoy yourselves while doing it. It's just something to consider. There are loads out there. So once again, thanks for watching.